Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about winning niches to start winning niches in 2022. Resistance bands. Here the winning niche is resistance band. The reason resistance bands are trending is that people are working out from home. We are still in the midst of a global pandemic. That's why I am filming from home, and that's why home game equipment is really blowing up right now. Resistance bands, in particular, are a great product to sell because they are not expensive, nor are they heavy, and yet it's still a piece of exercise equipment with which someone can do a whole range of exercising. Now, second one is beard oil. Next on the list is beard oil. I told you some of these products were gonna be surprising. You can start by selling beard oil, but then you can add on to that with beard grooming accessories. Laptop skins. The next one is for laptop skin product on our list is laptop skin. Yeah, I don't see this on coming either. Search volume for this niche has been fairly steady over the past 5 years, but we are starting to see it grow. Here's a tip to start selling laptop skin that features a unique design that you can target to particular audience. Sell laptop skin with the botanical design and sell them to people who like and gardening. After you have mastered product market fill it on one niche, go on. Here we will go for the next. Infrared thermometers. Infrared thermometers are still trending, and that trend is expected to continue in 2022. This product is very in demand in a global pandemic because it allows people to take other people's temperatures without actually touching them. There are different types of infrared thermometers, however, and that's what makes it so interesting to sell. In a professional kitchen environment, these thermometers are often used to determine how hot something is without touching it. People can also use infrared thermometers to measure for weak spots in insulation and determine how much heat a car engine is going on. In other words, you don't just have to market people who are picking in a pandemic. You can make sales of infrared thermometers by marketing to all kinds of demographics with niche specific thermometers. The next one is cat and dog beds. Here we will discuss about the cat and dog beds. Pets products always tend to perform well, but right now interest in cat and dog bed is exploding. To start selling in this niche, it's really important that you pick a dog or cat bed with a unique characteristic, and that will allow you to market that dog and cat beds to a particular audience. For example, an especially health conscious dog owner might want an ergonomic dog bed. That's the kind of product market fit that will allow you to get sales without getting stuck in competition. Here, next one is vintage rugs. The next niche surprised me because it vintage works. Maybe it's because we are spending more time at home or because we are yearning for simpler times. The neat thing about selling vintage rugs is particular is that it already help you take a broad product like rugs and niche down. The next one is garden accessories. We are going from interior to exterior because the next product or niche or our list is garden accessories. With traveling abroad temporarily put on hold, a lot of people are holidaying around the home or in their gardens, to be more exact. As a result, demand for gardening accessories, outdoor furniture, even outdoor screens is really skyrocketing. If you want a particular product recommendation, I actually really love these novelty watering cans. And if you are thinking right now, it's the winter no one gardening. That is exactly why this is great time to start setting up our store. The next one is jigsaw puzzles. The next product on our list is jigsaw puzzles. I was thinking about selling jigsaw puzzles before this was on the list. Actually, the reason is so many people are spending more time at home and they are looking for activities that the whole family can join in on. Jigsaw puzzles are lightweight, inexpensive, and don't involve any game rules, which means no family fighting. Once again, and you are getting a theme here there. If you decide to start selling jigsaw puzzles, you will want to make sure that you're selling jigsaw puzzles that appeal to a particular niche. Lots of people are doing that. However, if you sell jigsaw puzzles related to a particular place, say cap or a particular animal or something like that, then you are a lot more likely to attract people who love the topic and looking for an activity like jigsaw puzzle. The next one is power tool. The next niche on our list is the power tools niche. With so many people spending more time at home, they are noticing thing around the house and could see some fixing. Power tools like this circular saw helps people to do just that. Now, if you are new to e-commerce, you may not want to get started selling dangerous power tools. However, there are lots of power tools accessories that you can sell, such as the bracelets that helps people keep their nuts and bolts close at hand.